Almost 30 years ago, I was 72 hours away from getting fired. Senior debt, 12 years of experience, one bad project away from the exit. That moment, it became the single best thing that ever happened to my career. I'm Karel, ex-CTO with over 25 years in tech. This is the true story of the technical mistake that nearly ended everything and the framework that flipped it. By the end of this, you'll know the 3 mindset shifts that every dev needs to go from code monkey to trusted leader. And I'll give you the exact conversation template that saved my job. Back then, I was that guy, the one they called when prod caught fire. 12 years deep in legacy hell, knew every brittle module by heart, working 60 to 70 hours a week. And I was good, real good. Could debug blindfolded, but while I was buried in bug reports and late nights, my peers were getting promoted. I kept thinking, if I just write better code, fix more things, they'll notice. Spoiler, they didn't, because tech skills don't get you promoted. They just get you more tickets. Then came the big migration, legacy monolith to microservices. I saw my shot, jumped on it. Finally, a project where my skills would shine. I volunteered. Big mistake. I was confident, too confident. I'd done migrations before. This one would be clean, elegant, clean services, tight APIs, beautiful design. Honestly, some of my best code, database strategy, decomposition. But 3 weeks in, the cracks started forming. Why? I was so focused on the technical elegance, I ignored everything else. Mistake number 1, zero stakeholder communication. Didn't talk to you, didn't ask how other teams use the system. My perfect API broke 5 internal workflows instantly. Mistake number 2, no updates, no docs, no visibility. I was coding in the dark. Nobody knew what I was doing or why. Mistake number 3, I ignored the human element. The code was smart, too smart. Nobody else could work on it. I went on vacation. Everything stopped. Then came launch day. I figured 4 hours. It took 20. Production broke. Clients rage. Nobody could help because I hadn't told anyone how it worked. Monday morning, manager calls me in. I figured I'm about to get praise, maybe even a cheer. I got a warning shot. Looked at me dead in the eye. Your code's great, but you're failing as a professional. You've become a liability. Was right. Project, late. Stakeholders, ignored. Team, sidelined. My perfectionism caused operational chaos. Then came the ultimatum. You've got 30 days to prove you can lead, or we'll find someone who can. I went home, wrecked. 12 years of work about to evaporate. But that night, I finally got it. I'd been playing the wrong game. Software isn't about perfect code. It's about solving business problems with code. Here's what I changed. Shift number 1, from code first to problem first. I stopped asking, how do I build this? I started asking, why are we building this? What does success look like? For example, choosing a database, I stopped chasing benchmarks. I picked the one my team could support, the one we could scale without pain. Shift number 2, from solo hero to team multiplier. Stopped being clever, started being clear, wrote docs, held walkthroughs, explained why decisions were made. Code became boring and maintainable. That's a win. Shift number 3, from tech expert to business translator. I learned to speak their language. Every technical decision mapped to business impact. Not, we need to refactor off. Instead, this is costing us 2 dev days per sprint and adding security risk. Here's the ROI. Now, they listen. With 5 days left, I booked a meeting with my manager, laid out a 30, 60, 90 day plan. Tangible changes, real metrics. Within 30 days, I was leading meetings. Within 90 days, I was promoted to tech lead. 18 months later, I was a CTO. You want to avoid my screw up? Use this. Ask this for technical decision. What business problem does this solve? How will we measure success? Who needs to understand it? And how will I explain it? Start tracking prod incidents. Turn bug fixes into patterns prevented. Don't just code features. Ask, what value does this deliver? Start mentoring. Write down tribal knowledge. Become the bridge between code and context. Here's one thing to do tomorrow. Pick one technical decision. Write one paragraph explaining its business impact. Send it to a stakeholder. See what happens. If you can't do that, you have a major problem. If you're ready to stop being just the dev and start becoming the leader they trust, I built a full framework: context, craft, mindset, resilience. Hit the link in the description. Use the tools that saved my career. Drop me a comment. What business problems are you solving with code right now? Next week, I'll show you the exact template I used to save my job and how to find leadership opportunities hiding in your current role. Your code gets you in the door. Your leadership gets you the seat at the table. I'm Karel. See you in the next one.